Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you, it's the first one I've ever seen, the brand new Triumph Speed Triple RS 1050. Absolutely amazing is this. The amount of technology you get on these now is unreal. 150 horsepower, 3-cylinder engines. They've not changed that. Still sounds absolutely fantastic. But it comes with a ton of gadgets. We'll go through them all with you. I mean, the tasty stuff to start with, it's got the black Ohlins now. I think they're sexier than the gold ones personally. I think they're mint, fully adjustable. Carbon mudguard. You've got an Ohlins rear shock. You've now got a full colour TFT dash, which you will have seen on like the 765 RSs and stuff. You get cornering ABS, keyless. It's got cruise control. It's got five different power modes on it, including a track mode, daytime running lights, cruise control. See the mileage there, 3,980 miles. And you can go through the different modes. You can go through rain mode there, roads, and they've got track mode. Absolutely fantastic. He's absolutely gorgeous. Comes with cruise control as well, as we said. We've got a seat for it. They come with the titanium arrow pipes and all the carbon bodywork. Cast alloy wheels, Pirelli Diablo super coursers on there. Honestly, it's just gorgeous. It needs to be seen, does this? The beautiful thing. Ohlins rear shock, as you can see there. Traction, ABS, everything you'd expect. We'll give it a start. Cameraman just comes around to the perhaps the dashboard. I'll show you this little bit as well. So when you start it, it then goes to a lovely big digital rev counter. I know what riding mode you're in, and fuel range and so on like that. Really is super cool, these bikes now. They've come on such a long way from the old model. So, you know where we are at Jordanbikes. Come on down and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.